Hello friends, so let's solve a very nice and easy exponent questions. This is looking like a tough and difficult question, but it is very easy and simple. I'll show you a very easy and simple way to solve this question. Okay, so let's start. We have given what we have given. We have given x to the power a divided by x to the power b whole to the power a plus b into x to the power b divided by x to the power c whole to the power b plus c into x to the power c divided by x to the power a whole divided by whole to the power c plus a. Then find the value of x. We have to find the value of x. So how do we solve? So we'll apply very common rule of exponent, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Then I can write a to the power m minus n. So we'll apply this. So x to the power a minus b, this is whole to the power a plus b into x to the power b minus c whole to the power b plus c into x to the power c minus a whole to the power c plus a. Okay, now x to the power a minus b, a plus b into x to the power b minus c, b plus c into x to the power c minus a, c plus a. This is rule, that is a to the power m whole to the power n. Then I can write a to the power m into n. Okay, so this is in the form of a square minus b square into x square to the power b square minus c square into x to the power c square minus a square. Okay, now x a square minus b square plus b square minus c square plus c square minus a square. Okay, so this a will cancel with this, b will cancel with this, c will cancel with c. So x to the power 0, which is equals to 1, and this is our answer. I hope you like the video. Thank you. Please do share and subscribe. Bye bye.